Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you're watching this, know that I appreciate you. I pray all is well with you. It is another rainy day right here in good old North Texas. It has rained again all day. And I don't mind the rain. I actually like rain. Don't mind it at all. But I prefer that when it rains, it's warm outside. Not hot, not mild, not chilly, not cold, but warm. And warm it is not right now. It is a great 55 degrees. We turned our heat on in the apartment last night. I think for the second day in a row. So yeah, it's just a little chilly. With the rain, it's not really that great. Not really that great. No. But I'm not complaining. Could be worse. Like I said yesterday, it could be snow. Because I know that there's some parts of the U.S. that have already received snow. Even though whole green light, sweetie. Even though it's early, people are not paying attention to the light. Sorry about that. Even though it's not really time for snow, there are several places that have received snow already. So I'm not complaining. Rain is fine. Rain is great. Rain is a beautiful thing. It cleanses the earth, replenishes the waters, the waterways, the lakes, the rivers, the ponds. In some cases it overfloods, but it overfills, but rain is still a beautiful thing when it's warm. Today was a very slow work day because of all the rain. As I've mentioned to you all before, what we do is seasonal, and even though we have more work days than other companies in our industry, we do still have days where we can't do any work at all. And this week has really been, that kind of time. Like, we didn't have anyone out in the field today. We didn't have anyone out in the field yesterday. I had 2 reports that I had to get in, and that was it. So I spent the majority of my day, because the majority of my filing was done as well. I had maybe 10 items to file, 10 documents to file. So maybe 20, but still. But because all of my reports were in and my filing was done, I spent the majority of my day working on my personal stuff, which is, what are we doing? Wow. Which is not the norm. And I'm so glad that I do hands-free, because it does allow me to pay attention to the road versus looking at the camera. But yeah, I was able to do a lot of my own personal stuff. So I got quite a bit done today. Quite a few files that I needed to download to my external hard drive, which I'm very happy I had the mind to bring it with me again today, because I got a lot of that done. I got all of that done. I won't say a lot. I got all of that done. I think I mentioned yesterday that I made an investment in myself. As a matter of fact, I know I mentioned yesterday I made an investment in myself. So all of the resources and paperwork that go along with that investment, I was able to download to my hard drive today. So I've got a lot of stuff to look at for the rest of the week, over the next probably month or so. It's so much information. So I was able to get that done today. I didn't print anything out. I didn't want to waste the paper. It's going to take me some time to figure out what I want to print and what I want to just keep on the hard drive. if I want to print anything, versus what I keep on a hard drive. Several very helpful, or what appear to be very helpful, books geared towards what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, I'm very excited about everything that I was able to get done today. Was also able to send off some information to someone. I told you all yesterday that I've got something in the works, but I'm not really speaking on it until everything is finalized. It's a personal accomplishment for me, but like I said, I'm not speaking on it until it's finalized. I had to turn in some paperwork for that today, so I got all of that in. I've got an appointment tomorrow geared towards the same thing, for the same accomplishment. So I've got an appointment tomorrow for that, but I'm so very excited about that. I'm so very excited about that. And everyone that I have told, and I haven't told everyone, but I did have to mention it to a couple of people because I needed them as references. So I did have to say something to them about what this is, but I'm excited about it because it opens up the door to so many other things that I should be able to do once I get it accomplished. So once, like I said, once it's finalized, I will mention it. And some people might even see it as, in all honesty, some people might see it as a step back, but I don't. You have to be able to look at the bigger picture. I guess that is today's word of wisdom. Look at the bigger picture. Sometimes you have to take a step back in order to be able to move forward, specifically if that step back is going to open more doors for you than where you currently are. So I am excited about that because I can look at the bigger picture and see that this is going to open massive amounts of doors for me. Or maybe not even massive amounts. I don't know. I'm saying massive as if I already know. But I do know that it's going to open doors. Maybe it's what God wants to do, is open up massive amounts of doors. That very well could be. But I do know that it's going to open some doors for me that could become lucrative, and not just lucrative as in financially, but lucrative as in making connections with people and bonding with people and walking in my ultimate purpose. But I have to go through this process as a part of the process. So I'm very excited about that. But again, I can't say anything until it's finalized, which hopefully will be, I was given a deadline of Monday, this past Monday, to get my part done. And I got everything taken care of with the exception of one thing. I got everything taken care of today. And then tomorrow, and I apologize, like I said, it's raining, so wipers are on. But I got everything except one thing done today and off to them. That last thing will be taken care of tomorrow, and I'll get that off to them. So hopefully this time next week, I will have some final answers. And everybody is just sending up prayers and, you know, keeping me uplifted and encouraged, because this could absolutely go in the wrong direction of where I want it to go. But I'm believing and trusting God that it's going to go the way He would have it to go, which is in a positive way, because it will open up, like I said, some other doors. But all right, I am at the grocery store. I've got to go get literally a couple of things out of here, maybe a little bit more than a couple depending on what the sale looks like. So I got to get some stuff out of here, and then I'm headed home, and I'm gonna relax for a little bit before I start cooking dinner and before I hit the computer again. Give my eyes a little bit of a rest from the computer screen. But yeah, so with that, peace and blessings. Remember to walk in your purpose and know that I appreciate you.